so it's Saturday and I am deciding to vlog today. I have an exciting morning because I don't know how I'm gonna get all this stuff done because I need to do a reel. I'm making a reel for alphalete and I just have this idea in my head and I really want to make it happen. Who knows if they see it or not, but I think it's gonna be a cool idea. I don't work for alphalete or anything, but I love the brand, and so I love creating reels. And then I have to somehow go to the gym before cooking. I'm making a salad for a barbecue. We're invited to a barbecue at 1 p.m. so I need to make that happen. It's 10, so I don't know how long this reel is gonna take me, but I feel like it's gonna take me long because I have a specific idea in my head of how I want it to be. And so if I don't make it like that, it's just gonna bother me. And I plan on posting it today as well. So that needs to be done quick. I suck when it comes to lip balm, lipstick, when it comes to finding a color that matches me. And I feel like I finally found it. And yesterday I came across this brand at Sephora, Summer Friday, and literally, if you look anything like me or have the same complexion or you're really struggling with finding a lip color, because they're all they seem so dark or seem so light, and I can never find a good balance, something that is it does have color but also looks a little bit natural. That's my go-to. I don't like when it's too strong of a color or it doesn't match my complexion. And I don't know, I don't even know if I'm a warm or a cool, both. I feel like I'm in between. I feel like I'm a neutral, maybe more on the warmer side of a neutral, warm neutral. So if that's you, look at this. Summer Fridays in the color Cherry. Okay, I'm gonna get started with filming this reel. I'll catch you later. Bye. It tastes so good. I had a taste of it just to see if it needed any seasoning or anything, and it was so good. I was like, should I just put myself a plate? No, we're going to the barbecue. Let me show you my outfit. So this entire outfit is from RW&Co. Okay, well, I am going to catch you next time. Bye.